Green Business of the Year finalists honors a business that demonstrates success and leadership with its sustainable business practices. Auto West Group. Auto West Group is a premier Canadian luxury automotive retailer operating out of Richmond, BC since May 1986 and was the first importer of BMWs in Western Canada. They are a top provider of luxury vehicles, offering unparalleled purchasing and servicing experiences out of their 2 locations and 4 dealerships: Auto West BMW, Auto West Pre-Owned, Mini Richmond, and Classic Garage. Fortis BC. Canadian-owned and BC-based Fortis BC proudly delivers renewable energy, natural gas, electricity, and propane to 1.2 million customers. As the province's largest energy provider, they're putting more than 100 years of knowledge and experience into practice on their path to achieve provincial climate action goals by 2030. Together with community groups, government, and industry, they're ready to create, grow, and rethink the future of energy. Salt Spring Coffee. Salt Spring Coffee was founded in 1996 on Salt Spring Island, BC. They are known for producing premium, ethically sourced, and sustainable coffee products. The company's mission is to deliver exceptional coffee while promoting social and environmental responsibility. They source their coffee beans from farmers and cooperatives, ensuring fair prices and long-term relationships. Salt Spring Coffee commits to sustainability, quality, and social responsibility.